I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. You guys, it's early in the morning. Like, I haven't done anything. I haven't washed my face. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet because I'm having a coffee. And I woke up this morning and I was like, ooh, we're making a video. So, I got my coffee. Number one, Virgo baby, the month of Virgos. My birthday is in, what's today? My birthday, August 28th, 35 baby, 35 and thriving. So I will be 35 at the end of August. Virgo, yes baby. The coffee is starting to kick in, so let's do this. Today, we are actually going to try some hair coloring tool. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am not allowed to change my hair dramatically. Oh, Jesus, at work. So, like, you can do your hair red. I have red highlights, I have blonde, and then I have my natural brown in my hair as of right now. But you can't go like off the beaten path, okay? So you can't wear like oranges and pinks and greens and blues unless it's like for Halloween or unless we're doing like some type of corporate event type thing that you get to like do as a team. Today, I just want to see if this will actually work on my hair. Y'all can be like, Jamie, this is for kids. I know. I'm a kid at heart, okay? I can't help it. This is called Children's Gift. It's a hair coloring comb. Changes your hair color for a super fun hair dyeing experience. My son is obsessed with red and wants me to color his hair red. So I figured that instead of doing it to his hair first, I was willing to do it to my hair to see if it would actually stay. And then I would do his hair. The set actually comes with 6 different colors. You have red, purple, green, blue, orange, and pink. Again, you guys, don't judge me, okay? I couldn't find a spray bottle, so I'm using my Garden Grow Kit spray. It was a rough morning. I mean, it's early, okay? I'm doing the best that I can right now. And so it's actually fairly simple what you're supposed to do. You're just supposed to like separate your hair. And I got a lot of hair, as you guys can see. I'm going with it. It says, spray the hair that you want to dye. Apply color to a handful of hair. Brush multiple times if your hair is dark. My hair is dark, so it's probably going to take a couple of tries. And then it says, use a hair dryer to dry the hair after drying. Now, it does say that if you have sensitive skin, try really hard not to get this on your skin. I do have sensitive skin, but that also makes me a little nervous because most kids have sensitive skin because, you know, they're kids. So this is another reason why I'm trying it. Okay, so it says common problems of this product. It's a little hard to show up on dark colored hair, but easy on light color hair. Well, no, duh. Hello. Of course. Let's try it. All right. I found, okay, so the first place, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Oh, that's so cute. They gave me a little hair bows. So it comes with these 6 little combs. These are super cute. I think it's really awesome because Ronan would be able to use this himself, which is nice because it's like perfect hand for him. And the man likes red. So I'm going to hold off on using the red because he really wants to use it. And so I'm going to try all the bright colors I can, or pretty much any color. So it's probably going to be like an orange and a pink. The blue. I doubt the green is actually going to show up just because it's a little bit darker. And I really want to try the purple. So these are the colors I'm going to go with. I'm going to try to go over the blonde pieces that I have right here because I do have blonde highlights. So I'm going to try to focus on those areas with like the brighter colors just to see if it comes out. Gardening hairspray, here we go. Ah, that's my face. So we're gonna go with the pink first. Oh, okay. Hey, pink. It says says don't touch your hair after you do it, but it's kind of hard because I'm like, I need to touch my hair. Okay, how we do? I feel like I got some good strokes in here. Now we're gonna try a different set of my hair. Let's try the purple. Again, I don't know if purple is gonna show up on my hair just because it's a little bit darker. I mean, so far so good. I really do like the pink. I think it's super cute. Okay, so this one is the purple. Okay, there's a little bit of purple here and there, so it's very subtle. Oh, I did the back and the front. Can you guys see it? Is there anything? I'm gonna be really sad if this doesn't work because, like, I really want this to work. It's not as dark as it, like, the color of this is. It's like a pastel. Oh, but look, that's why they said don't touch it with your hands. Oh, I see a little purple. I see a little purple. Icky, icky. So now we're gonna take another piece and we're gonna do the orange. Hopefully this doesn't make me look like a pumpkin. Okay, so the orange. This was the purple. The pink. I really do like the pink. Now doing this, it would just be easier if you wrenched your entire hair. That would be easier than trying to spray if you're going to be doing your entire hair. This kind of makes no sense to me. So again, I'm going front ways and back ways. So the chalk is definitely starting to dry and I can feel it. And it's making my hair a little hard. The orange did not do absolutely anything. Oh, I mean, it's cute. The blue is no, does not work for my hair at the bottoms. It's like making my blonde streaks look gray. So we're gonna switch to purple. Probably gonna look a hot mess now because I had blue. It definitely stains your hands, so fair warn, but it's not bad. I kind of like it. I definitely feel like the pink showed up and showed out. Now I'm gonna dry it because it says dry it after you're done. All right, you guys, so Roro wants me to do red to his hair. So we're gonna test out the red to see if it actually works.
Hi, guys.
So the red is not working in Ronan's hair, so I literally just took out the chalk and I'm going like this. And it's actually working a lot better. You can definitely see it in his hair now.
Your hand's red. Ah! Look at Mama's thing. It's shiny.
So I got a little bit here, but it's okay. All right, boo-boo, show him your hair. Go like this. Oh, yeah.
It looks good.
All right, you guys, so as you can tell, I had to change my shirt just because I was worried that I was possibly going to get something on it, and so I was just like, let me change it. Overall, I really do like the product. I think it's super cute. I just find it a little bit difficult to try to put it on darker hair. That's why F it, let's just take it out of this little comb thing, put it in my hand and rub it into his hair because this was not working. It was not picking it up. Since it's washable, I mean, there's no reason to not take it out of the comb if you're okay with it since it's already able to be washed away anyway. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the